Right guys, listen up. I'm gonna do the 10 click challenge. So what I've got is 10 clicks and 10 clicks only. I'm in Whitechapel, okay, and this is not like I'm taking 100 photographs and then cherry picking my best 10. No, literally you're gonna see me walk, shoot, and then I'm gonna share those images with you guys. I think the beauty of this as a challenge as well is that it's a great little practice because you've only got 10 clicks, so it's almost like your energy becomes quite narrow and you're a whole bunch more focused, and if you're more focused you see more, and that's all we're wanting, right, as street photographers, is to see more. Guys, please subscribe to the channel as well if you've not subscribed already. Please hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get on with the challenge. Right, so let's go. So I'm just exiting Whitechapel station.
Excuse me, I do think can you hear us out for the young kids? 2 seconds.
Sorry man, I got no change, man.
Do you take colour payments as well, just to let you know?
I'm not signing up for
anything. No, it's not sign up or direct debits, on your one of payments.
No, sorry my friend, but thank you, man.
Have a good day, yeah?
Thank you. No, I was hoping this...
You jockey?
Character. One. Snatched at that a little bit. Okay, we've already used one shot. We need to be a little bit more discerning. Love the mask though with the guy, but no. Right, okay. Shit. Right, we're wandering. Colour, texture. I couldn't resist the guy looking at the camera. I couldn't resist it. That's 2. Free. Yeah, I like that frame. That's the best frame so far. Four. There's a few stories here. The guy, see the guy in the bag? And then the guys behind him. Kind of want something else though. Waste. 5. Waste. Shit. Okay, this lady. I want her right in the centre of the frame. 6. Is that 6 already? Damn. The pressure. 6. 7. That is a pure waste. That is a terrible frame. 7. All right, let me have a look at this. It's not a good composition at all. It's kind of got mood, a little bit of character. I love the beard. How many is that? 7? We've got 3 shots left. 3 shots left.
One of these is a good pitch.
Sorry, mate. He was sweet, right? That's 8 though. We need dynamite frames now, the last 2 frames. I want layers, layers. The carpet. Oh.
La bella era rete mówi.
What I'm not even doing, there's not even like a warm-up period here, right? It's just like, it's not even like a warm-up. And I do like a warm-up period, at least 30 minutes, because you want to get into your space, right? Just want to get into that space of being more present. And I don't know, I think I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. But we're going to stick to the 10 frames and then I'm off home. But it's so cool around here though, right? The Whitechapel is just full of character. We're going to be brave here. Or maybe not.